You know how like how the expo has like drinks and stuff based on Hololive members. I would be the perfect drink, cause you could just put like rock candy or pop rocks in my drink, and it'd be like drink Bijou's. Oh wait. Alright, drink Bijou! Yeah, drink Bijou! There we go. Not Bijou, it's drink Bijou. Period. Huh? Just drink Bijou. There we go. Very... Done. Done. Okay, what do you put at an end of a sentence? A period! Get some help! Kyla, go tell him to Dang it. You know what I meant. Dang it. You know what I meant. You just try to make it worse for me. Okay, but this is just divine. Exquisite.